Precise HVAC Home Services here at it again. Today we're going to talk about UV lights and the benefits of them. Well, here's the thing. Now, do you want to breathe healthier? Do you want to wake up and feeling better about yourself? Feeling healthier, not having static in the carpets, not having bloody noses, and not feeling all dry and stuff? Well, here's what a UV light can do and the benefits of a UV light. The benefits of a UV light is that it actually reduces and decreases the DNA that's inside your ear. Pretty gross, right? Like, think about it. The DNA, all the nasty scaling from your skin that's sitting on the ground and laying everywhere on your bed sheets and in the air, and your system is taking it out and putting it right back in, taking it out and putting it right back in. Your filter's only trapping so much of that. That all depends on what kind of filter you have. So it's taking it out and putting it back in. It's doing that cycle all day long, all year long. Because if you have a forced air system, it's doing it for heating and it's doing it for cooling. So a UV light, what it's going to do is that the minute that air goes through that UV light, it's going to kill those DNA particles, that bacteria. It's gonna also kill cold viruses, flu viruses. It's also known to kill other viruses that we can't say. But here's the thing, you have a UV light, it's good to have one. In my home personally, I put two, one in the return, one in the supply. There's nothing wrong against having more than one. You're actually gonna clean your air better. You're gonna be able to breathe better. You're gonna be able to see a cleaner home. Your kids are not gonna wake up with bloody noses anymore. You're gonna wonder why they had those bloody noses, right? A UV light is very, very beneficial. And here's the thing to maintaining a UV light, which a lot of people don't know. A UV light needs to be changed every single year, no matter what. You go to your system and you see the UV light on, it looks great, it's bright. Well, let me make sure I emphasize this. Don't look directly into the UV light because you could burn your eyes. But if you're looking at the light and you can see that it's shining and it's on, whether it's blue, whether it's green, whatever color it is, the manufacturer recommends to change this once a year no matter what, because it starts to lose the potency of that light. It starts to lose the potency of that light, you are not going to get the efficiency and the effectiveness of it. Those are your benefits of having UV light, guys. Please put one in your home. They're great to have. They're phenomenal. Hope this helped.